Hi everyone. In a previous video, I shared about uploading photos and videos to Pexels to earn some side income. I hope you watched that. Yeah. So today I'm going to discuss with you how to join Pexels, how to upload photos and videos so that you can earn some money. It's actually very easy. But I have had a few requests to create this video from students as well as viewers and subscribers. So for them and everyone watching, here it is. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updates whenever I upload a new video. As I mentioned, I did a video about Pexels, and how to earn money from there by simply uploading photos and videos. As such, I won't repeat the info about what is Pexels here. If you're interested to learn more about it, go watch that video. And I will also leave the link to that video in the description below. Well, first you go to the Pexels website. Again, I will leave the link to Pexels website in the description below. Then go to the description and click on the link. After you click on the link, you should arrive at the Pexels homepage. Then click on the green join button. Then you will come to this page where you will be given the choice to join as a member who will simply download photos and videos from Pexels, or as a member who will contribute. That is to share your photos and videos to the Pexels community and to the world. So because today we're discussing about being a contributor on Pexels, right? So we will click on the I want to contribute button and you will arrive at this next page. On this page, you can join Pexels using your Facebook account, or if you prefer, you can enter the details such as name, email address, password, and then click on the Create New Account button. After that, you will receive an email to verify your account. After verification, you are now a member of Pexels. The next time you log into Pexels, you will arrive at their homepage, and at the top right corner, you will see the green upload button. Click on this button to upload your photo or video. You will also arrive at the upload photos videos page, and here you will be reminded again that your uploads will be distributed for free under the Pexels license. If you want to learn more, click on the learn more button. And there's another reminder to meet the guidelines in order for your photo or video to be featured on Pexels. So to find out more, click on our guidelines. You will see guidelines like this. Finally, when you are ready, you can either browse your computer or drag and drop your photo or video into the upload area. When you're ready, click the green Publish button to have your photos and videos uploaded into your Pexels account. Here you can see some of the photos and videos I have uploaded so far. Yeah. So one thing to note, I've noticed recently that when I upload images, they require it to be at least 4 megabytes. So make sure you have your photos at least that size. Do read the privacy policy and the terms of use. I won't go through all this. You should do your own due diligence. So read it before you join Pexels. Pexels does have a mobile app, or at least on Android as far as I know. You can download it from the Play Store, and after you download and log in, you will see a screen like this. Click on your profile photo and you will see your stats on the next screen. You also see the media you have uploaded so far. And for each of the photo or video, you can see the stats. For example, how many views, how many downloads, whether there are any donations. Again, I must reiterate that this can be a nice side hustle to earn a little bit of income. If you prefer to have an online business to make more money and for the long term, then I recommend affiliate marketing. And you will need to learn how to do it right, have the right tools to help you succeed, and expert help to guide you when you are lost. There is a resource that I recommend to get all that. My number one recommendation: go to the description below and click on the link where you will see free training. Click on it to get it now. Do you have any questions about this topic? The topic about how to join Pexels, upload photos and videos to earn money. Let me know in the comments below. I will continue to publish new videos about making money online every Friday. So remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.